student physio today.
Hi.
Now I understand you had a fall a few months ago.
Yes.
And you've hurt your shoulder.
Yes.
And it's just feeling a little bit weak.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And you said on your sheet that you wanted to get back to skiing in January.
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to assess how your shoulder moves and how strong it is. So look at some ranges of motion and strength, and we'll see if we can't work out what the problem is and fix it. Hopefully. Okay. Great. So first up, what I'm going to get you to do is just want you to sit there, and I'm going to put both arms all the way up as far as they go. Oh, perfect. So I'm just going to over press. Good. Same on this side. Good. Okay, back down. Now I'm just going to look at your strength in that range as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push against you and push against me all the way. Keep going, keep going. Good. And then again, push a little bit harder. Go, go, go. Great. Okay, I'm going to do the other same, the other side. So just put a little bit of pressure. Keep moving, keep moving. Good. All right, apply a little bit more. Yeah, all right, so that's where we're a little bit weak.
Yeah.
That's okay. Now what I'm going to get you to do is straight out to the side as far up as I'll go. Great. So a little bit of over pressure there. Same on this side. Great. Okay, down. And again, I'll just assess your strength. So push against me all the way up. Great. And again. Good, nice and strong. And then just on this side. Good. Try a little bit. Oh, that's where we're weak again. Okay. So we're going to do now the same movements. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be pushing your shoulder down and stopping your shoulder blade, your scapula moving while we do those movements.
Okay.
So I'm just going to get you to do both arms up in front first.
Okay.
Ready? Go. Perfect. And down. And what I'm going to do is just assess your strength doing that movement as well. Good. And then a little bit more pressure. Good. Push it, push, 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 good. A little bit more. Okay, a bit weak there. And again, so this time I'll go around this side. And then push down on your shoulder and put your arm out to the side as far as you can go. Good. And then just testing some strength there. Good. And again, a bit harder. Good. So again, I'll just push down and just arm out to the side. Good. Seems normal. Push against. Good, nice and strong. I'll push it a little bit harder. Okay, so we're weak there again. Okay, now what I'm going to get you is just put both hands out as far as you can behind you. Great. All right, just over press there. Over press there. Good. Okay, you can relax. So I'm going to now push against you and test how strong you are in that movement. Good. And I'm going to push a little bit harder. Good. Nice and strong there. Alright, so ready, push against me, good, a little bit harder, oh, okay, again, weak a little bit there. What I'm going to get you to do now is elbows into your sides, and we're just going to see how your shoulder moves this way, so I want you to put both arms out to the side, as far as I go, good, and in as far as I go as well. Yep, so right onto your tummy, perfect. Okay, so you can relax that arm. I'm just going to test strength, so push against me. Good, and I'm going to push a little bit harder. Good, and I'm going to do the same on the inside. Push. Good, and again. Good, nice and strong. And again, so I'll push out against my hand. Good. A little bit harder. Oh, yeah, a little bit weak. Push against me. Good. Double. A little bit weak. Okay. A few more to go. If you can put your arms out to the side. And just put your arms back as far as I go, put your fingers back. They both look great. Just look like over press, good. Okay, put this arm down for me. So we're going to do like we did before, so back to here, push against me all the way up. Good, and again, good, nice and strong. Try the other side. Against, good. Oh, yeah, a little bit weak there. So now, same position again, but we're going to put our hands down. Can you do that for me? Good, they both look normal. Press a little bit, good. Good, alright, now back to here, you can relax your other arm. So I'm going to push against you, try and move down that way again. Good. And again. Good job. And just on the other arm, so push against me. Good. We're a little bit weak there too. Okay, so we've only got 2 more to go. What I'm going to get you for this first one is just come up and lie on your back. So just shuffle back for me. I'll put this pillow under your head. Perfect. So arms back out to the side, and I just want you to bring them across your chest like that. Perfect. I'll just put a little bit of over pressure. Good. Lovely. So you can relax this arm down. We'll just test your strength again on that one.
Sure.
So bring your arm in again. I'll just apply a bit of pressure. Good. And a bit more. Lovely. And I'm just going to again apply a bit of pressure. Good. Again. Oh, yeah, a little bit weak. Great. Last one.
Yep.
I'm just going to get you to flip over onto your tummy for me. Just pull out of your way. Beautiful. Now just let your arms rest down the sides here like this. Perfect. And I want you to try and bring your elbows in towards the middle of your back. Can you do that? Great. Just a little bit of overpress there. Good. Okay, you can relax. So now I'm just going to test your strength on that one too. So I'm going to apply a bit of pressure back here. Just push against me all the way. Keep going, keep going. Good. And I'm going to do a bit more. Lovely. Good. And same on this side. So I'm going to push against. Good. A bit more. A little bit weak there too. Okay, you can jump up for me, Hannah. So I've had a look at your range and your strength, and it's all pretty good. We just seem to be in your left shoulder, your problem shoulder. We're just having a bit of problems with full strength. So you're just not quite back to where you were. So what we're going to do is work on your strength in this movement and out to the side as well, because that'll be the most important ones when you're skiing. You're going to need to be able to be strong kind of through all those movements.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a few exercises that you can do at home.
Yep.
So I'm going to give you a 3 kilo weight.
Yep.
So I'm going to get you to 10, this is 1, 2, so we can both do it together. Here's your weight. You can stand up if you like, or you can do it sitting down, whatever's more comfortable for you at home. So we're going to stand there with our problem shoulder in it, and we're just going to do some raises all the way up to the roof, and down, and up, and down. And we're going to do 5, 3, 4, 5. We actually might get to 10. How's that going for you?
It's good.
Good? Okay, we'll do 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How's that feeling? Is it starting to get a bit sore?
Bit weak, yeah.
Okay, good. So we'll stop there. What I want you to do is you can do just that one set of 10 with that 3 kilo weight. Maybe do it 3 times a day.
Yeah.
So morning, lunch, dinner, however you want to split that up. We're also going to do exactly the same thing, but standing with it out to the side all the way up. So can you do that? All the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How's it going?
Yeah, getting a bit tired.
9. Last one then. 10. So we'll just stick to that one set of 10 for both those movements, to the front and to the side.
Yep.
Do them 3 times a day, and then when we see you in a week, we'll check your strength again, see if it's gotten better, and we might up the weights in your hands. We might step it up to 4 kilos or something like that. Does it sound good to you?
Yep.
Fantastic. All right, I'll take this off you. And so hopefully I'll see you in a week, and we'll have a little bit more progress then.
Sounds good.